All right, today we're gonna bring a LED light for anything, pretty much any entrance. All right, this is indoor only. All right, now this is the top of it, and look, this is my favorite feature of it. So whenever you screw this up to the wall on top of the ceiling, all right, and you don't want to let this fall while you're doing your connections. Look at that, just slides in there and it hangs on in there. All right, so I like this feature. There's two indentations here that you could hang it in there. Now, I didn't show you the best part. The best part is that you could change the light tone, all right? It goes from 5000K all the way to 2700K, all right? So, and there's only 3 connections you have to worry about, right? You got your ground, your hot, and your neutral. All right, so we just plugged it in right now, all right? This is one tone. I'm gonna try to face it somewhere else so you guys can see a little bit better screen of how it looks. And I'm gonna change it up around here, right? I'm gonna change, that's the highest. I'm gonna change it to the lowest slowly, and the last one is this one. So this is kind of like a yellow tone, right? I don't like that color myself personally, because it's like more like a soft color, more like dough color, like a yellow color. So we're gonna go back up slowly. We're gonna go back up slowly. Let me see if I can do this slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the color I'm gonna stick with. So I'm going to set this up on the ceiling and turn on the lights in here. Alright, if you guys can see, we put the yellow one so you guys can see a little tone, alright? It's bright still. This is the lowest, but I set it up. And it's working very well. It took it a couple of minutes to set up because the top, there was not enough room for the actual cable. So just be aware, you might have troubles. You might have to flatten it out a little bit more. So, but it's working. Make sure you put the screw and the actual secure area, which is the little metal hanger, so it won't fall and you have plenty of room. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.